So in order to do that, I will go to the ZIA portal, I'll open the endpoint data loss prevention policy, I'll create a rule. You can already see that it's very similar to what you're already familiar with the inline web, right? So we try to keep it as consistent as possible with what we currently have. So I'm gonna set the rule name, block sensitive data to cloud. I chose the channel for personal cloud storage. I can specify which personal clouds I would like to protect. In that case, I would like to protect any personal cloud storage that is supported at the moment. We have severity. By the way, this is a new attribute that you're going to send incidents on the data protection. We start with the endpoint. By the way, it will be available also with the inline web in the future. The next thing is the rule criteria. Okay, so once again, pretty similar to what you're familiar with. The first item is the content matching. Okay, so we try to make it a little bit more simple than what we have today on the inline web. Here we can choose the option to select DLP engines, and then we can choose any DLP engines, from the available ones, or choose a specific ones, or we can choose the option for none. Okay, in that case, the rule evaluation will not check the content. Okay, so it means that any file will be matched. Okay, so in some use cases, it might be useful. Other criteria are related to the file, right? Like the file type, the file size, or the user. Okay, so it can be based on the user group, the user itself, the department, right? The device of the users. And also we have the option to set it based on the device trust level and the user risk profile that we get from the ZIA. Okay, so very simple. So let's move on. So from the action, I would choose block because I would like to block any sensitive data upload to cloud. Incident perceiver notifications, again, similar to what we have with the inline. I'll keep it as the default with the end user notification is show. So I'm going to save the rule and I'm going to activate the policy. All right, so now I'm going to switch to my endpoint. I already installed Dropbox on my machine. I logged in with my personal account, okay, to Dropbox. And the first thing I'd like to upload is, the groceries list. Okay, this file is not sensitive; it just contains some stuff that I need to buy. So I'm just gonna drag and drop it to Dropbox. As you can see, this file will be synchronized, uploaded to the personal Dropbox successfully. But when I will try to upload a sensitive file, let's say I have a Brazilian tax form file, what we'll be able to see is that immediately we get a user notification that indicates, right, that the organization blocked this activity, and a placeholder file going to be uploaded to my personal Dropbox. You can see already the file, the quarantine file. So when the end user accesses this file, it can get some information, right, that this file was quarantined by the Zscaler data protection. We have the machine name and the path, right, to the original file, so you can easily locate it. Okay, so again, we try to make it as intuitive as much as possible for the end user.